The new breed of fast Core XY printers can be noisy. They vibrate like hell. So in this video, and it's going to be dead quick, I'm going to show you what I've done to make mine much quieter. In fact, it's running now and you can barely tell. So you may have noticed in my recent video about 3D printing, I had the printer running in the background, but it wasn't interfering with my audio. Now, that's partly down to mic placement, but also down to what I've done to the printer itself. It's amazing what you can do with a bit of concrete and some foam. These changes mean I can have it in the studio with me, actually running while I'm recording, and not hide it away in a shed somewhere. So this is a Bambu Lab X1. It's a Core XY printer, which means the main head is rattling about like crazy when it's printing at speed. You'll never stop it from shaking. That's just a side effect of the speed. But what you can do is absorb those vibrations. I've done that in two ways. I've added a concrete slab, just a cheap £3 one from Homebase, remember them, and some foam I got from Amazon. So originally I tried that thick, heavy rubber stuff you put under washing machines to absorb those vibrations, but they're at a much lower frequency, so it didn't work at all for this. What did work is upholstery foam. Upholstery. It's a very hard word. Upholstery foam. You know, the squidgy stuff you use in cushions. And I got, I think, 3 meters of it, and it was only... Hang on a minute, I'll look. Please hold the line, caller. So I got a roll of this from Amazon. It was 3 meters long, 50 centimeters across, and 2.5 thick. And considering the paving slabs are only 30 centimeters squared, this is plenty. It was 20 quid, but I do have a lot left here, you know, for when I start that print farm. The other bit was a paving slab. I'm not going to throw that away, but they're only about £3 from any DIY store like Wix or B&Q. So the principle is the concrete adds more mass to the printer, more for that print head to have to shake around, and then the foam separates it from what it's actually standing on, so those vibrations don't get passed on. So that's about all there is to it. For about 25 quid, I can run the X1 at full pelt when we're in the house watching TV downstairs, and the A1 Mini is so quiet now I can run it anytime I want. And that's about it. I told you it was going to be a quick one. If you'd like to see more 3D printing content from me, let me know down in the comments. While you're down there, I'd love a like and a subscribe. That'd be ace. I've got things to print, so I'll see you next time.